day I die. Hey, swing those hips around.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So dear friends, as you could see in two of my previous live streams from my listening room, I have bought a few days ago these floor standing speakers AEG. Yes, it's not vintage, it's not old audio. I don't know the year of production, but it's I think after the year 2000, maybe 10 15 years old. So for me normally not interesting, but why I have bought such a pair of speakers? Regarding the back labels, because there is for me something I cannot understand these numbers. Here is 500 watts. So I have bought them to compare the sound with such a small old 50 years old 15-watt Tesla box. You will see it in my next video. This video will be about these boxes only, because I have bought them, I have paid for them, so I have to sell them. Yes, I don't like to say that you cannot hear the sound from these boxes. The music, it's not bad, but I must say nothing for my ears, but I must say, for example, the wives of hi-fi fans will like them, because you can put them anywhere in the living room and they look, I can say, like new ones. All the speakers looks like new ones. There were a little dust on it, and also I see here something not that it's not clean, but yes, it goes down, no problem. Maybe you can find there some dirty on them, but I must say they look pretty nice. There were, as you could see in the live stream, there were some labels on the side, so I cleaned it. I can feel here some small rest of glue, but they look pretty nice. Yes, I see here 1 millimeter damage here, but no problem. You can put them in every normal living room. They look from the front view pretty nice, and also the dust or the front grills with textile, they don't look bad. I see here some 1 millimeter opening here, but you cannot see it from the longer distance, and it looks this one, I can say, also like new one. So these boxes, as it is usual, are for sale. You can find them later on my website, Angelicaaudio CZ, on the page Hi-Fi boxes. They will not be expensive, but I must buy them. I must buy them regarding the label. So let's try them. The track number 3 is a little dynamic. Left channel, right channel, stereo. So I must say the sound is for such a nowadays speakers acceptable, and I would like to mention the thing what I like at most at these boxes, because I love such a back terminals, these connectors, because I can use my banana plugs. So these are my cables here from my listening room, and for testing of the speakers it's very simple. I don't like to put the wires here from the bottom. Yes, it will be when you buy them, you sure don't use the banana plugs. Better is the pure wire under this screw to connect in these screws. It's better. But for testing, for me, I love it. So, dear friends, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and as I say in all of my videos, if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. YouTube approved a few months ago the membership on my YouTube channel, so click on the join, don't worry, nothing happens, and then you can read all the conditions, and then you can decide if you would like to join or not to join. You receive some perks, you can watch all my videos as a members first, and you can receive also some gifts from me, free gifts. Some of them, the small ones, are free shipping European Union. The bigger ones are without shipping. You can receive it free, but from me you must come here in my listening room to take it personally. If per post, you have to pay the shipping costs. So once more, thank you for watching and have a nice day.